With its brand Mufatto Presse, Triveneta Macchine Europa has been working in the mechanical press market for over 40 years, and today it introduces its range of medium and high-speed presses. Design through sophisticated calculation and structural control programs is the key to making a product that meets customers' requirements. A pool of engineers and software technicians makes very good products possible, both as to quality and safety. With the exploited views of the previously created designs, construction of the structure is started using the materials stated in the project. The structure, obtained by welding, is made up of body, top part, ram, and base. At the end, each individual item undergoes heat treatment and the various joints are checked. All processes, both on the structure and on the various components, are performed using the latest generation CNC machines, guaranteeing utmost precision and accuracy. Each stage of the various operations, from the use of materials, high quality and specification steel and bronze, to processes and necessary heat treatments, is carried out following a definite and tested protocol. Both during processing and at the end, dimensional checks are carried out using high-precision instruments to guarantee a more accurate and precise assembly of the press. Among all the press components, columns surely play a vital part in its operation. Made in hardened, tempered, and chrome-plated steel, they must guarantee maximum precision for the ram slide during punching. Once they are placed in position, the 4 tubular posts are located in the press, their function being to join the top body to the base in one whole structure blocked by 4 pressurized hydraulic cylinders. The system used to change the press run is particularly important. The variation in run is achieved by 2 eccentric bushes, one of which is fixed onto the eccentric shaft while the other slides onto the previous one. During assembly, particular care and attention must be paid to the assembly of the run transmission that must guarantee utmost precision between the 2 bushes and achieve the correct sliding motion at the same time for a totally automatic movement. They are joined by a series of pins that allow working in maximum safety both for the automatic gearbox and tracking. The procedure takes place in real time with maximum safety and precision, and everything is controlled by the various safety devices. The choice of the desired run is set via the touchscreen on the control panel. The characteristic feature of Mufato presses is the crank rod system. The crank has been replaced with a system that allows to eliminate all imbalancing stress when speed increases, guaranteeing better stability. This mechanism, consisting of a shoe located in the shaft and enclosed in an external structure, allows to transform rotary motion into alternate motion so that high speeds and greater loading table during punching can be achieved. The connection between shoe and ram uses a plunger that is guided inside the body and blocks straight on the ram. This way, the ram assembly is more rigid and the dies last a long time because there is more precision between the working surfaces. The hydraulic lift of the top part of the press has two main functions. One is to allow the ram adjustment, the other to obtain further body lift. This movement allows working more easily if needed inside the die to repair and clean it without having to take it off the press. Moreover, better parallelism between the table and ram can be obtained, ensuring less die wear. Clamping takes place with a mechanical stroke and is therefore always precise. Ram adjustment is achieved by moving 4 ring nuts screwed onto their respective columns. Their movement takes place via chain link with the gear motor that allows to move the ring nuts themselves and vary the distance between ram and table. Operation takes place with the top body hydraulically lifted and therefore with no load on them. The precision of the movement is centesimal and the reading is made by encoder. 1P and 2P series Mufato presses are equipped with a recovery column lengthening device, RCL in short. During punching, this keeps the distance between table and ram constantly at the BDC, checking the lengthening of the columns at any speed. Press programming is through the touchscreen panel so that with a mere touch it is possible to activate all the necessary controls and/or adjustments. On the main page there are also various icons that allow opening the pages relating to the different available functions such as run variation, CNC programming, ram adjustment, electronic cams, alarms, and maintenance. When assembly is completed and a series of mechanical and electronic tests have been carried out, parallelism between table and ram is checked. The press is now ready to be delivered to the customer and start production, guaranteeing functionality and productivity as well as maximum reliability for many years to come.